Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek Sharma. I'm a company secretary and a law graduate. I have also secured first rank and gold medal at my graduation level. I also have a industry experience of more than 10 years and worked with large business houses like Times of India, Deloitte, etc. I always believe that a law is a very dynamic subject, and for a professional students like CA and CS aspirants, they have to develop an expertise over the same. And how to develop an expertise over the same is only to understand not only the provision of law but also its implication. And that what I try to develop in each and every student of mine, whether being at CA or CS level. And as you know that Unacademy and Yashas have collaborated in order to provide the best quality coaching to all CA aspirants across India, and that's where I am here on this platform to make a very important announcement. So we are coming for CA final paper 4, which is corporate and economic laws, a very dynamic subject comprising of lot of corporate laws. And to develop expertise over the same, to understand the depth and the soul of the subject, I'm coming on this platform and we are going to start a regular batch, not the fast track batch, a regular batch in full English language covering entire syllabus. The batch is going to start from 16th of August 2021 and it's going to complete by 30th September 2021, which means that I need your 45 days in order to develop an expertise over the particular subject, which is your paper 4 of CA final. And this entire thing what we are going to discuss in the 45 days, it's applicable for November 21 and May 2022 all CA final aspirants. Now this is going to be a live session where the lectures are going to be on all 7 days. On all days except Sunday, the lecture is going to be in evening session, which is start from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. and on Sundays the lecture will be from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. so that you get time for your own preparation, and on weekdays you can see the lecture after completing your articleship and other commitments. Now it is a live session, so the student may think that sir, once the batch being over, how they are going to see if they want to see some more session, if they have missed some session. Don't worry at all, we have a complete recorded backup available for all of you so that you can see those things which you have missed, you can revise those things over a period of time and develop expertise. Now we are going to provide you a very exhaustive and amended notes, because as you know that law is a dynamic subject and it keeps on amended, and that is where you need to have an updated notes, and that's we are going to provide on this platform. The notes is going to be in soft copy, which means that you have a discretion that if you want to take a printout of the same, you can always do the same. And you are not going to get one notes, you are going to get 3 different variety of note. One is going to be a detailed note which is covering everything, your entire ICI module, every past paper, the last exam papers, everything is being covered under that with all latest amendment. Then we are going to provide you a compact note which is comprising of analysis, flowchart, example, so that you can understand the interpretation of law. And this compact note is going to help you a lot while you are revising your entire portion before your examination. So you need not to make anything else, just study with me, understand each and every provision, and your compact note is going to be a last minute note for you which is covering everything. And once we are done with the detailed note and the case study note, the compact note, we are going to have a case studies practical notes also, which is covering your past exam paper, which is covering your all MTP, RTP, everything, which means that after we have done with all these 3 types of exhaustive note, you need not to study anything. You can just simply relax and be confident that everything is being covered, and you are going to clear your CA final exam with great confidence. So with this, I request all of you and invite all of you to subscribe for Unacademy and avail the maximum benefit. Thank you.